Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video. Greetings. Today's video is going to be super impromptu because I feel like talking about a different topic than what we already talk on this channel specifically. So, you know that by profession, I am a behavioral skills trainer. But apart from this channel does not has a niche, I would say. So, not a specific niche. So, today we are going to try a different type of content. I am going to share the products that I have recently started using for my skin. So this is going to be a skincare type of video. So right now, how you see my skin, I think if anyone will see my skin, they will say that your skin is good. However, if I come closer to the camera, you can see that there are some tiny bumps on my skin and on my forehead. So I'll give you a brief about why does this happen. Now these are comedonal acne. Comedonal acne are like the type of acne where your pores are clogged and they have a skin over it. Okay. Now this is a little bit different than the normal acne. In normal acne, you will see that there is a red thing and then there is some pus filled thing that is different. I have a history of having comedonal acne. For these acnes, sometimes they get irritated quite a lot before my period starts. So like 1 week before my period starts. So it happens due to hormonal imbalances. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about like recently, just 2 to 3 days ago, I introduced two new things in my skincare and I can already feel a little bit difference in my skin, like it feels a little bit shinier. So I will show you the products that I'm using. I have all of them kept on my desk. So two new things that I have introduced in my skincare routine are this glycolic acid cream. I'll hold it like this. So this is one thing, glycolic acid cream, and another one is adapalene plus benzoyl peroxide gel. So I was just figuring out how to introduce retinoids or retinols in my skin, okay, or in my skincare basically. So retinoids and retinol, there can be a slight difference in the chemical composition of the two, of course, but retinols are supposed to make your skin feel rejuvenated basically. So whatever dead cells that have been accumulated on your skin are those things. We are going to talk about the AM and PM routine. Okay, so in AM routine we have to start by using a mild face wash. So this works best for me. I've been using it for almost 5-6 months now. So once I have washed my face, then I will use my moisturizer, which is this EcoSoft FC. And in case if you have seen my birthday video, there also I showed you this moisturizer. Now this has been recommended by my dermat. Like, when did I go to my dermat last time? I went to my dermat last time in 2023, I guess. And before that also I went to him in around 2021, 2022. Okay, so 2021 से लेके अभी 2026 तक I am using this moisturizer on and off. I have tried a few others in between, but this one works best for me. Once I have washed my face with this, then I will use this moisturizer, EcoSoft FC, and then I will use this sunscreen. So this is a moisturizer cum sunscreen, but I use it as a sunscreen. Recently only I have started using this one as sunscreen, but before that I used to use this Neutrogena sunscreen. So this used to be my sunscreen earlier. Now both of these, they work best for me. However, Episoft I have recently introduced in my routine, so it will take me some time to understand if it works or not. I usually don't wear makeup most of the times I don't, and sometimes when there is some special occasion or I have to go for a client meeting, then only I put a little bit of concealer or some powder on my face. That's it. So this is one thing. This is my AM routine. Now let us talk about the PM routine. PM routine के लिए I have this salicylic 1% salicylic face wash. Now this face wash is from Dermaco. I have tried 2% salicylic acid for me, but then I have noticed that it makes my skin very dry once I have used this. So the day before yesterday I used adapalene for the very first time in my life, and that is the only day that I'm gonna use it for this week. I will not introduce this on alternate days in my routine yet, because I need to see how my skin is going to react to retinols, because you need to be very cautious with such things. They can make or damage your skin barrier if overused. So I will wait for some time, like every week I will use it only once. Yesterday I started using glycolic acid cream, and I can instantly feel the difference in my skin right now, because my skin lost its shine in between and I could feel it, and there were like a lot of bumps on my forehead, and I would say on my cheeks as well, that you can see right now, right? I do have some scars over here. So the moment I started, like I applied this cream, I felt a little bit irritation, but then it was not much, it was bearable. When I woke up in the morning, my face was relatively shinier. One more thing that you need to keep in mind is कि ये दोनों साथ में नहीं लगाने हैं. इसमें से एक क्रीम आपने अलग तरीके से लगानी है, मतलब on a separate day, and this glycolic acid will also go on a separate day. So if your skin can bear it, you can use both of these on alternate days, and if not, then I will suggest you to go slow just like me. You cannot use these products during the day. Both of them, they have to be used during the night. So this is week 1 of tracking my skincare. I will keep on updating ki where have I reached. Right now I'll show you the bumps that I had a few days ago. Okay, so these are the bumps. You can see my skin was irritated a little bit, but right now, if you will see that my skin has relatively settled down. Once I have used these creams, then I will again use my moisturizer, which is EcoSoft FC, and then the other one, which is Episoft, over it. So you can keep on hydrating your skin a little bit in between, because glycolic acid cream जो है, it peels off your skin. Okay, peels off in terms of जो dead skin cells होते हैं, it will be peeled out of your skin super soon. This is my PM routine. This is it about this video. I enjoyed making this video because I just wanted to understand ki what type of content is going to work on YouTube for me. I will keep it a mix of soft skills, or I could say the normal self-help content, and apart from this, lifestyle content as well. So let me know in the comment section if you like my video. I will see you in next video. I know the frame is like a little bit lesser than what it is usually in my other videos, but I will make sure that in next video the frame would be better. So let me know in the comment section, did you like my video or not? And stay tuned, I will keep on uploading some more interesting content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.